Welcome back to the channel. Please, today's video I want to show you how to claim your free 5k instant, 50k evaluation, 10k instant, 15k instant account. You know the difference between instant account and evaluation account is that evaluation account you will trade and pass tests before you get the live account, but instant account is live account. Any profit you make you can withdraw. As you can see, the background of this video is noisy, right? I'm not using my mic. I want to do this video urgently so that you not miss the opportunity. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. My mic is low, my power bank is low, so my generator has problems, and there's no light. I can't just give the mic to the nearest neighborhood to charge for me. What if the mic maybe got missing? Will I go and blame them for it? So I don't want problem. So I rather repair my gen tomorrow and charge my mic whenever I want to do it. I just do this video so that you can listen carefully. You will hear what I'm telling you. What I will say in this video, you will hear it. Watch to the end. Don't skip any part so that you will not miss any important info. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your fellow Forex traders, because it's a very good opportunity so that others will also have access to it. If you don't have money to fund, you can use this model. You can pass to this up trading. It's a very legit program. Everyone knows about gold funded program, so they are giving free accounts. Just do small tasks. It's not hard. It's very easy task. Do it and you will get your account. Based on your effort, you can claim up to 15k instant funded account. So I'll show you what to do. Stick to the end of this video and watch. Please don't forget to comment. If you have any problem, you comment and share your thoughts. So let's go into the video. So when you click on the link, register your account with gold funded trader. Very simple. Put a Gmail, phone number, your country, that's all. Then you create an account. It's easy to create an account. So when you log in, you see this place. Before you come here, you'll be on. Okay, let me go to home. In case you are here, when you're home here, you click on this icon that's next to home. When you click on that icon that's next to home, you click on goat point. When you click on goat point, here's what you do. I've already claimed my points and claimed my reward, so I don't want to waste time. This video will be long if I want to explain everything here. This one is very simple. GFT logo, upload it on your Twitter. This first one, update your Twitter profile picture with the official logo of gold funded trader. You maybe screenshot this and put on your cover photo, profile photo, write a note and you screenshot and upload here. Instant funding on MT5. Spread the word on Twitter that GFT offers instant funding on MT5. You screenshot this, you go to your Twitter, okay, you post about instant funding, that gold funded trader is now offering an instant funding account which you don't need to pass any test before you trade. And make sure you follow gold funded trader and S Real. This Edward XL Real. Follow him on Twitter, follow gold funded on Twitter so that you can tag them to that post. You screenshot and you upload here. As you can see, my activity completed. I already did it. So 15 million payout. You screenshot this, you go to your Twitter, you write it that gold funded trader have crossed over 15 million payout to traders. Join the community. You tag Edward XL Real and gold funded. So you screenshot and you post it here. You download the app. When you download the app, listen. When you download the app, please, you can just screenshot it. After downloading it on Play Store, you will see it written cancel and open. At that particular part, screenshot it so that you know that the app is there. If you go to your phone to search the app and screenshot from your phone, they might decline it. Just screenshot from the Play Store. When you screenshot from Play Store, you upload it here. This one is written. But what happened to my own was that I mistakenly uploaded the screenshot of the app I downloaded here, and they still approve it. But your own might not be the same. So I don't know why they approved my own. No. This rating is when you go to Play Store, you will see where they write review. You click on 5-star, you write what your experience is with this program, and you can just screenshot it and upload it here. So, see trader. If you tweet the see trader announcement on X, you search for gold funded trader profile on X. When you search for that profile, you search for when you go on their profile, don't leave the profile or the account, just on their profile search for see trader announcement. You will see it and you report, you screenshot and you put it here. GFT support, you will screenshot this, you copy it, you go to Twitter, you write what your experience is with their customer care. Even if you have never chatted with their customer care before, just write something positive. They will approve it. You will upload it here on Twitter and and so on and so forth. You retweet the latest promo, you go to their account or profile, you will see their latest promo, their latest discount and giveaway. When you see that thing, what you do is that you will retweet. When you retweet, you screenshot the reposted post, you upload it here. Your favorite GFT features on what? Okay, what's your favorite GFT feature? Just screenshot this. There's this particular one I'm looking for. That one might confuse you guys. This one is very, very simple. What do you love about them? Just write positive answer. You tag the two guys there. You upload it. And this profile match. What you will do is that you go to Google. You search for profile match. When you search for profile match, you will see it. You click on it and you come to this search icon. You type gold funded trader. When you type gold funded trader, it has appeared. You click on it and you see this place set as favorite. You touch it, screenshot, and you come and upload it here. Join the Discord, you screenshot and you upload. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you screenshot and you upload. Please, as before you go and subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to my own first. I'm the one showing this update. Thank you. Click the subscribe button, like and share to your fellow traders so that they can, find this opportunity. It is a very good opportunity for those that don't have capital or money to fund. You can leave this buy 10 accounts. I will tell you what I did to accumulate up to 1,400 coins. So, like this get 10 payouts. I took someone's payout receipt and I uploaded it here. They approve it. So you can do that. Just go to Discord, look for payout receipt. Just scroll down. Old payout receipt that was posted. You bring it here and you upload. Participate in one free 3-day competition. If you have already joined their competition, this thing, you can just screenshot and upload. If you didn't, you can look for a way to join and then screenshot it and upload. Leave this one. So concerning this phase 1, you go to Discord and look for phase 1 past. Okay, this thing will take long. People should be able to follow this thing without explaining everything. So when you click on Gold Funded Trader profile, you will see post your certificate. You can see all these things that they are posting. You will look for someone's own. You will take someone's own of this phase 1 pass and you will upload it. Then it will come a time they will ask you to post on Twitter too. Okay, here, share your phase 1 completed certificate on Twitter. You post on Twitter, you write something about it like, congratulations to me, I passed my phase 1. You tag Edward SVO. Make sure you follow this man on Twitter so that you can be able to tag him. And you tag both funded. Make sure you follow these two accounts on Twitter. Then you screenshot the post. After sending the post on Twitter, you upload it there. Same thing on Instagram. You will tag Gold Funded Trader. It will be written Gold Funded Trader -main. So just go and follow Gold Funded Trader on Instagram so you'll be able to tag them. So phase 2, you can just upload someone's own and I assure you it will be approved. So post your PR certificate on X and tag us. I said it already, how you can do it. So these tasks are very, very simple. They are very, very simple. All this one that is showing me complete task is something that I cannot do. Post your trade of the week certificate on Instagram. I don't have it. If I never trade with them before, I go take get trade of the week. So I did all these things. Those ones I showed you was what I did, and I was able to accumulate 1,400 coins. But you know what happened to me? I was rushing because of using someone's own. I was thinking that they might decline this thing. So by this time, I have already accumulated 947 coins. So I said that let me use that 947 coins to purchase accounts, and I purchased 2 accounts. When it comes to where you have reward here, you can see each of the coins. 550 coins can get to a 5k 3-step account. 10k 3-step account with 700 coins. If you have 900 coins, 25k 3-step challenge. I hate challenge because 3-step challenge, it might even fail the phase 2 or phase 3, so I don't like challenge. 50k 3-step challenge, 1,350 coins. 10k instant goods, 1,100 coins. 5k instant goods, 800 points. But last time I got 946 coins, so I used 800 to buy this 5k instant, and the remaining coins 500 and something to buy this. Okay, sorry, it was over. Okay, it was 946, but like that Sunday that I started doing some tasks, they were giving me coins immediately. They didn't take it to 24 hours, so that coins got to something of over 1,000. You get. because I was able to claim this 5k 3 step with 550 points. That's 550 coins with this 5k instant with 800 coins. 800 plus 500, that is 1350. So I rushed too much. I wouldn't have rushed that way. I would have waited patiently. Now if I waited patiently, 50 coins came in again. I had totally 1470 something. Now I would have been able to claim this 15k instant good. It is a live account. You don't trade to pass any test. You trade and withdraw. 3% daily drawdowns, which is $450. 6% maximum drawdowns, which is $1,200. That's a very good account. So I want you to back this coin to 1,400 and claim this 15k instant good. You will enjoy it. This thing lasts till 30th June 2026. After 30th June, it will end. So these are the rewards you could claim with your coins. Those one that want to go with challenge, 3-step challenge, it's left for you. If you want to go with challenge, it's left for you. But me, I can't do challenge, because like this, like now, I was even looking for the way to buy this 50k. If I had that, I wanted 350 points I would have waited. I wanted to get this one, and I said, no, this 50k, what if I get a second or third phase? So I now had to buy 5k, and that was so bad of me. I would have waited patiently. The original 50 coins I got, I would have purchased this 15k instead. This place written claim reward, okay? Like here, you will click on claim reward. When you click on claim reward, some people say it takes 1 week to 2 weeks, but my own took 24 hours. I claimed that reward on Sunday. I started backing coins on Saturday. Sunday I received the coin. So on that Sunday I started doing the task again, and that same Sunday I received coins upon coins. So after that, and I claimed the reward. Then Sunday around to 5 in the evening, when I claimed the reward, I received the account logins the next day. That was Monday, 24 hours. So I can still show you the Gmail to send the account logins to. So I'm not lying to you, bro. So it is real. So that's how you can do to claim your free. It is for free. You don't pay anything. What I can do to claim your free instant 15k account or 50k 3-step evaluation. It depends on what you want to do, but please, I personally advise you to back these coins up to 1,400 or 1,000. That one for 10k instant. 10k instant good. 1,100. If you have 1,100, please claim this one. This instant is not evaluation. Any profit that you make, you feel withdraw. Evaluation na something be say you go make profit finish, no withdraw anything till you pass. Then you will not start afresh. So if you have the time for that, you can do it. If you have time for that, you can do it. But I don't used to advise beginners or my mentees to go for evaluation. Just go, because the content is very, very hard for you to go for evaluation. There's like wasting of time. Just go for instant. Withdraw your profit if it is due. If you use 2 ways to trade, the profit you make, you withdraw it. But on challenge, if you use 2 ways to trade, you just be looking for a way to pass. You may even fail. So that's how to claim your free account. You can go and do it now. I showed you the account now. I received it. I'm not lying here to you, bro. I received it. Let me go to Gmail. As you can see, I'm in my Gmail now. So instant funding. Close funded to that instant funding login details. So send it to me. Okay? Send it to me. This was the 3-step I claimed. Send it to me. So it is real. You can go and claim yours. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video to your fellow traders to also have opportunity to claim this account. It is of a very good help to those that don't have money to fund the account. Please